like to welcome all of Jackie and Charlie's family and friends, many of whom have traveled here from around the world to be here with us today. Thank you so much. This is the day that Jackie and Charlie have publicly decided to declare their love and to commit to one another for the rest of their lives. Today we are privileged witnesses to this next step in your journey, Jackie and Charlie, and you now will be proclaiming your love for one another for the whole world to see. Marriage is an art unto itself, and in the art of marriage, the little things are so important. It means never being too old to hold hands or to say, I love you. It's never going to bed angry. It is at no time taking the other for granted. The courtship should not end with the honeymoon. Allow it to continue through the years. It's having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It's standing together, facing the world. It's forming a circle of love that gathers in the whole family. It's doing things for each other, not in the attitude of duty or sacrifice, but in the spirit of joy. It's speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is cultivating flexibility, patience, understanding, and a sense of humor. It's not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
Oh,
hi, baby.
I'm gonna cry.
Can I hug you?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Wow, look at this dress. Let me get a good look at you.
It's sunny out.
Wow. From this day forward, I promise you these things. I will love you forever. I will always support you. I will remain faithful to you always in times of sickness and in health. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I will strive every day to make our marriage stronger. I promise to stand by your side forever. I will share in your dreams and work together as one. You're my best friend, my love, and my partner in life. In front of our friends, family, and all those we hold dear, I promise all this to you.
Charlie, from this day forward, I promise you these things. I promise to love you forever. I promise to never stop holding your hand. I promise to stand by your side while you face the world, to travel beside you through all of life's adventures. I promise to listen to you when you speak, to trust and value your opinions. I promise to join your laughter with my own, and when you can't look on the bright side, I will sit with you in the dark. I promise to grow alongside you, but also to never grow up. I promise to stay silly and never take ourselves too seriously. I promise to love, respect, protect, and trust you. I promise to give you the best of myself because I know that together we will build a life far better than either of us could imagine alone. In the joys and sorrows, the good times and bad, in sickness or in health, I will always be there for you, to comfort you, love you, honor you, and cherish you, now and forevermore. I choose you, I'll choose you over and over again, and I'll keep choosing you.
Yes.
Aww. Hi, Dad.
Hi, baby.
Aww.
Wow.
You look so nice.
Me? Look at you.
Oh, I'm so excited.
So beautiful.
Don't make me cry.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Charlie, will you please place your ring on Jackie's finger and repeat after me? Jackie, I give you this ring.
Jackie, I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end,
neither shall my love for you.
neither shall my love for you.
I choose you to be my wife
I choose you to be my wife,
this day and forevermore.
this day and forevermore.
Please place the ring on Charlie's finger. Repeat after me. Charlie, I give you this ring.
Charlie, I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end,
neither shall my love for you.
neither shall my love for you.
I choose you to be my husband
I choose you to be my husband
this day and forevermore.
this day and forevermore.
Your friends and family and I have witnessed your marriage vows. We're so excited and so happy for you. By the authority vested in me by the state of Connecticut, it is my honor and joy to pronounce you legally married. I'm getting out of your picture. You may now kiss the bride. I now present Jackie and Charlie.
As many of you know, Jacqueline has been an animal lover since she was a little girl. We as a family spent countless days at horse shows, working at the barn, events of all kinds related to her horse. I often felt like a taxi driver, but it got us to spend time together until, of course, she got her driver's license. At that point, I felt like a mechanic fixing her car on the regular. This brings us to Charlie. What could I say? Julian, Sarah, you guys did a wonderful job. Charlie is the guy every dad hopes and wishes his daughter will meet and marry. Charlie has impressed us so many times with his love and dedication to Jackie. And he's such a hard worker, not afraid to learn something new. I really knew Charlie was the real deal when he first asked me to marry Jackie. It was just a special moment for us. And of course I said yes, being thrilled for the both of them. He then proceeded to plan his proposal on the beach in Westerly. And of course he included us all, and it was just so special. This and many other great days and memories have gathered us here today to celebrate your love together.
Charlie is going to close out his 20s having moved from suburban Connecticut to Florida and having been, I think, the president of his condo association. He's like 26, guys. But I mean, in all seriousness though, they've lived a very beautiful life. Charlie's lived a really beautiful life in that short time. And what I love most about Charlie and about his wife, Jackie, is their honesty. I love his honesty. It's always been my favorite characteristic of Charlie's. And toasts are gonna be, and a lot of conversations and smiles are gonna all be about what the future has, your big and beautiful futures. But I mean, if you just look around, this is happening now, here. So to Charlie and Jackie, and to exactly who you are and where you are right now, today. I love you.
Jackie, you've always been my sounding board and voice of reason, and I hope that everyone in life gets to have an experience having a best friend like you. It's hard to believe that when we became friends, we were the weird horse girls, and now I'm standing here giving a speech at your wedding. Over the years, I've watched you grow into a beautiful, caring, nurturing, and brilliant woman that you have become, and now I get to watch you enter your wifey era. Charlie, I couldn't be happier that Jackie has found a man like you. Your good sense of humor, caring nature, and unwavering dedication is exactly the kind of person I could have wished for my best friend.
We have one. All you need, this whole world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. We could change the world if we would just believe. 'Cause faith and love is all you need. This whole world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. Yeah, we could change the world if we would just believe.